Have you ever needed a drop zone for shoes, coats, and purses? These DIY mudroom ideas might just be the solution you have been seeking. The idea of the mudroom originated in snowy and rainy regions where you would drag in leaves, dirt, and snow slosh that would soak the floors. There needed to be space to take off layers without tracking mud through the rest of the house. That's where the mudroom was born. These rooms created a new sense of purpose and ease for homeowners to manage unnecessary dirt and clutter. Nowadays, these mudrooms have become an amazing high valued addition to any home. Cold regions are not. People caught wind of the functionality of a mudroom, and with beautiful interior design choices, it is no wonder everyone wants one. Mudrooms are no longer a dark trap space for coats and muddy shoes. Now they act as a central command center for the entire family. For personalized spaces, family calendars, covered bins, and more, there is now space for everyone and all of their things. The best part, it not only functions perfectly but it transforms unsightly items like umbrellas and glasses into a beautifully organized space. No two mudrooms are the same, and with that said, creating your own DIY mudroom can be done in as little as a few hours or a week. It all just depends on what you want.